the deal?
My rib, I think.
What side is it on?
The left.
The left side. Okay, point to it for me. Yeah, so kind of by your shoulder blade. And then take a breath in for me. And you feel it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, okay. Kind of like right there? Yeah.
No.
No. Yeah, you can just feel it.
Because when I burn, yeah, it's right there.
Yeah. All right, so there's a couple of ways you can adjust a rib. You can do it with them laying down on their belly like this, but I like to do it when they're on their back, and you kind of have your hand on their back and you kind of roll them over. So I'll show you guys that one too. I'll do both ways though. She's easier to adjust, so it will go both ways. So a rib is pretty obvious. You pretty much just kind of press here and you can feel that there's no bounce. It's just kind of stuck there. Compared to this side that there's decent movement through there. You can adjust it. A little bit there too. Look up for me. Oh, that's good. Yeah, definitely right through here. Whoop. Let's get your low back too. This side first. This side feels so much better though.
Mm-hmm. Still kind of spinner.
Yeah.
I don't know what I did. It has been not been hurting like that.
Yeah. Push up for me. Push up, push up, push up. Flex. Good. Let that belly go. Good. That was easy. Okay, keep laying on your back here. So like this for me. Usually if it wants to go, it'll just go. It hurts bad, huh?
Yeah.
So we just did a lot of muscle work. She had a huge knot kind of around that rib. We got it with the laying down adjustment, not so much with the anterior adjustment. That one's a little tricky. It's kind of hard to do, but we're gonna get her neck adjusted here quickly as well. Oh, it's so blocky right there. I'm gonna check your shoulders too. Okay, so that was another quick adjustment. She had what she thought was rib pain. So a lot of times, rib pain is very obvious. I've talked about it before, but when you take a deep breath in, you kind of feel just like a sharp pain. It's almost behind your shoulder blade. It's a clear indication that that's what's going on. And sometimes they can be a little bit tricky to adjust. So that's why I like to do that one from the front. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It didn't really work too well on her today. And there's some people that adjustment just works like slick on. But for her, it's pretty easy to adjust her when she's laying on her stomach. So we got it adjusted that way and then did a little bit of muscle work because there's a lot of muscle tension through those ribs. So quick adjustment session. I'm about to get back to my workout because I am training legs. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one.
I'm trying to paint a picture, get the vision, you ain't here yet. Look, hold up, wait a minute, please. Flow switching, I got ADD. Brain scatters when you play the beat.